To a Little White Bird by Faye Inchfawn. LibriVox.org. Into the world you came, and I was dumb, because God did it, so the wise ones said. I wonder sometimes, did you really come, and are you truly dead? Thus you went out, alone and uncaressed. O sweet, soft thing, in all your infant grace! I never held you in my arms, nor pressed warm kisses on your face. But, in the garden of the undefiled, my soul will claim you, you and not another. I shall hold out my arms and say, "My child!" and you will call me mother. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.